Sometimes, being alone feels like the world has turned its back on you. Friends stop calling, the noise fades, and suddenly, it's just you and your thoughts. But here's the truth: solitude is not your enemy. It's the most powerful tool you'll ever have. Because when the world goes quiet, your inner voice gets louder. You start to see who you really are without the influence of others. Yes, it's uncomfortable. Yes, it can hurt. But pain is a sign that growth is happening. Think about it: a seed breaks before it grows. When you're alone, you start asking the questions you've been avoiding. What do I truly want? What am I willing to fight for? Who am I without the masks I wear for other people? Solitude is the forge where the strongest versions of ourselves are made. So if you find yourself alone right now, don't run from it. Sit with it, listen to it, grow from it. Because one day, you'll realize, the time you thought was your lowest, was actually the foundation for everything you will become.